The LandBoss 1100D is a reliable, sturdy off-road vehicle perfect for outdoor enthusiasts and farmers alike. However, like any machinery, the LandBoss 1100D is prone to starting issues that can be frustrating. Don't lose hope if you're experiencing starting problems with your LandBoss 1100D. So why my LandBoss 1100D won't start at the time of riding? When a LandBoss 1100D won't start, several potential issues could be causing the problem. Firstly, check the battery and ensure it has enough charge or try jump-starting it. Secondly, inspect the fuel system for any clogs or fuel quality issues. Thirdly, examine the spark plug and ignition system for any faults. Lastly, check the safety features, such as the neutral position, seat switch, or brake pedal, as they could be preventing the engine from starting. Troubleshooting these components should help identify the underlying cause and get your LandBoss 1100D running again. In this solution guide, we will walk you through the common causes of starting issues and provide step-by-step instructions on troubleshooting, diagnosing, and repairing your off-road vehicle. By following this guide, you'll be able to get your LandBoss 1100D back up and running in no time. For complete detail about this topic, go and check our website link given in the description. Introduction to LandBoss 1100D and common starting issues. The LandBoss 1100D is a robust and reliable off-road utility vehicle designed for heavy-duty work on farming, hunting, and construction sites. It has a 4-stroke engine that delivers superior performance, durability, and fuel efficiency. Why is it not starting? While the LandBoss 1100D is a sturdy machine, it can experience starting issues due to several factors, such as improper maintenance, faulty electrical connections, and problems with the fuel system. Common reasons behind starting issues. Some common reasons behind the LandBoss 1100D starting issues are a dead battery, dirty air filters, clogged fuel filters, faulty spark plugs, or faulty starter motors. Importance of regular maintenance. Regular maintenance is essential for ensuring the smooth operation and longevity of the LandBoss 1100D. Per the manufacturer's guidelines, it is recommended to perform regular checks, oil changes, and fluid top-ups. If your UTV LandBoss 1100D doesn't start by checking the battery and fuel system. If those are fine, move on to inspecting and potentially replacing the starter motor, ignition system, carburetor, or fuel injectors. If the issue persists, seek professional help or consult warranty information. Follow preventative measures and conduct regular maintenance and inspection to prevent future issues. Starting issues can be frustrating, but following the guide above, you should be able to diagnose and resolve the issue with your LandBoss 1100D. Don't be afraid to seek professional help. Always prioritize safety when working on your vehicle. For complete detail about this topic, go and check our website link given in the description. Thank you. That is for the video. Please subscribe to our channel and like the video.